Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we started the topic foundations. So these are two types of foundation, shallow foundations and deep foundation. Under the shallow foundation, these are further classified as spread footing, combined footing, strap footing and mat foundation, which also known as raft foundation. So what is spread footing? The spread footing are those fish used to spread the superimposed load of column over the large area. So spread footing support either a column or wall. It means it may be under a wall or it may be under a column. So under the spread footing, they can be classified based on their location. So one is single footing for column. If the footing is under a single column, then it is known as single footing column. Stepped footing for a column. This type of footing provided for heavily loaded column. It means under the multi-story in the case of multi-story building. Next is slope footing for column. These types of footing, concrete base doesn't have uniform thickness, but it had slope in nature. So next is wall footing. It consists of concrete base without any steps including masonry wall. Next is stepped footing for wall. It consists of masonry wall having stepped footing with concrete base. So these are the diagrams of different type of column footings or spread footing. So first figure is for sloped column footing. The second is for simple wall footing. Next is for simple column footing. Straight footing, and last is stepped column footing. So these are different types of footings under different conditions. Next type of shallow foundation is crevasse footing. So what is crevasse foundation? So it is a special type of isolated footing generally provided for heavily loaded steel column. And the load of steel column is distributed over large area by means of two or more tiers of steel joint. So it is a figure of crevasse foundation. The top is the column, and under the column this is iron plate, and at the bottom is concrete pad, and between the column and the concrete pad it is crevasse foundation. The next type of shallow foundation is combined footing. So the combined footing means it is combination of more than one footing, or they are joined together. So if the spread footing is under